What's happening? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and today we're going to work on the CZ Scorpion. What I'm doing to this today is going to be temporary. I have something being custom made for this, so I got a few things I'm just going to do to it, all right? First off, I have a 1913 rail to put on the back, folding adapter to put on the back, a brace, I have a Komodo tail that I'm going to put on it, and I'm going to put a sight on it, all right? So let's get to working on the CZ Scorpion. First thing I'm going to do is take the rear plate off and put the new one on with the rail on it, all right? And we're about to see if everything from the old Scorpion fits on this new Scorpion. All right, to take this off, you have a little pin that you have to depress. Let's see if you can see that right there. You have to depress a pin in there, and then after you depress it, you get a non-marking hammer. Push up a little bit, and once it comes up a little bit, you should be able to just slide it on off of there. And there it is. It popped out a little far, but it is off. Let's go ahead and put this new one on here, and it just slides down from the top. And you'll see the button right here. The button, you push this button down and boom, you got it on there. All right, simple as that to change it out. Simple as that to change it out. Now we're gonna put this on here, which, let's see, this is no problemo to put on. You just screw it down. Get it lined up on there, screw it down, and boom. You have rail and folder installed. All right, now it's time for the Komodo tail. Komodo tail, let's see. Oh, this thing does not want to go on here. There it is. There it is. All right, there we go. Let's see how that alignment looks. All right. Komodo tail installed. Now it's time for the brace. Hold on, let's see if I can get this brace on here. Let's flip it on over. Get this brace wrong size. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, there we go. The brace is screwed down. Let's see, is everything tight? Everything is tight. Now, let's put this on here. Let's flip it over so we can actually see it going on. All right, put it on there. All right, so now we have the finished product, all right? And the finished product, put the sight on there. I put the attachment, the Picatinny attachment on it. We have the folder, and here you can see how the folder, it hits right here at the magazine. That's where I like for my braces to hit, right there at the magazine. So, you know, it works good. It works good. And this just seems like a real nice, good package. Even though this is just going to be temporary. This is just for the moment. I have something custom made, getting custom made for this. So this is just for the moment. And like I said, this is all stuff that would have fit on the other Scorpion fits on the new one as well. So hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. You know, you think I should leave it like this, or are you ready to see the stuff that I'm having custom made for it? You know, hit me in the comments and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow up out of here.